So I've got a question for you. How many of you make half square triangles for quilt blocks? How about stitch and flip blocks or piecing mitered seams together for binding? Well, if you're nodding your head to any of those questions, I then want to introduce you to one of my most favorite features on the Baby Lock Altair, and that is the guide beam. Now, traditionally, all of these blocks come together when we draw a line from corner to corner and essentially stitch a 1/4 inch on each side, which once sewn then soon becomes 2 half-square triangles. Well, it's time to put that marking pin away and piece those blocks together a heck of a lot quicker. We'll start by turning our guide beam on. We'll then move it over so that it falls just over top of the 1/4 inch marking on the bed of your machine. Now, with my needle in the center position, I can align that guide beam from corner to corner, and as I sew, my stitches will automatically fall to the 1/4 inch position on both sides of the diagonal, just like this. Cut those apart, and I have 2 half-square triangles. Now, this same idea works perfectly for stitch and flip blocks, flying geese blocks, and even joining long strips with a mitered seam for binding. It's definitely a favorite feature that saves a lot of time in piecing, almost effortlessly, and it's found on the Baby Lock Altair, which can be found at my girlfriend's quilt shop and mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com.